We are testing out a brand new tool to create this video called Agent Opus. As you can see, Agent Opus allows you to enter simple prompts and create full-length videos just like the one you're watching right now. The big difference here is consistency. Most AI tools create a segment for 8 seconds and then just stop. Then the next segment isn't related at all. You might start with a puppy in a forest and suddenly end up with a monster in a different world. It just doesn't work for storytelling. Agent Opus resolves this by keeping the entire video on the same topic, giving you total control through your prompts. While you're here, we have a gift for the community. Use promo code OPUS to grab an additional role in our free crypto faucets. That is free crypto to grab with no strings attached. Again, the code is OPUS, spelled O-P-U-S. Make sure to use it before July 2026, as it will expire after that. Grab your free crypto. Follow us for more deep dives, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI and crypto content. Check the links in the description below to visit our free crypto sites and to sign up for Agent Opus yourself.